welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be testing out this fidget cube. I have this one, and this one. So we're gonna be testing out these three. But before we test them, please like this video, subscribe, comment, and turn the notification bell. And now let's get to the video. And tell me if you have more fidgets so like we can play with. This fidget game is called Fidget Games and it's super fun. So yeah. First, we're gonna play with this. Next up is this light switch. Next up is these buttons. Next up is this. Next up is this. And it's all really good. Next up is my green and silver one. Press the buttons. It feels so good. The light switch. These roll things. They're all really good. This controller. This thing that moves like a circle. And this circle white one. Next is my silver and pink one. It's really good. I really like the sound. It feels amazing. And download this game because it's so much fun. You can play all kinds of fidgets and I really like them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. See you guys in my next video. Bye!